Hey, what's happening? Get Up and Grab Fitness family, man. It's your boy, Coach K, Coach Kelly D, whatever you want to call me. Y'all already know it's the fitness guru, and I'm here to bring you another 30 for 30, a quick 10-minute workout that you can do before work, before you go to school, before you go to bed, while you're at the gym, anywhere. You can do this 10-minute workout, and it's going to be very effective, okay? But on today, we are doing a 30 for 30 on our shoulders, okay? Another 30 for 30 on our shoulders. This is considered level 2. This is considered level 2 because we are now using resistance bands, okay? We are going to use resistance bands with our shoulder workouts, okay? So we're going to do 30 seconds of hard work, 30 seconds of rest, 30 seconds of hard work, 30 seconds of rest for 10 minutes straight. And 10 minutes straight with the amount of 5 exercises for 2 circuits. We're going to get straight into it. We ain't going to waste no time. Like I told you before, all you need is some water, a towel, and a space this big. Look. I can do a 360. This is as much space you need. You don't need a lot of space. You can do this in a closet, okay? I'll see y'all in a minute, man. Let's get up and grind. Time going. Real simple, easy. 30 seconds. So I'm going to teach you how to use this. The first thing we're going to do is shoulder press, okay? And what I want you to focus on, depending on the resistance band you got, you can put 2 feet or you can put 1 foot, okay? 2 feet or 1 foot. It doesn't matter. But with the shoulder press, we can put 2 feet, 2 feet, and we're gonna turn them this way and we're gonna put straight up in the air, okay? We got 4 seconds, I'm gonna show you. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Push through the sky. 8. Push through the ceiling, like you're trying to punch through your ceiling. That's how high you want to push the resistance. Come on, we got 10 seconds left. Keep it controlled. Keep it controlled. Come on, level 2. Good job. All right. Make sure you keep the resistance band in control. Don't be just yanking yourself. Control. Even if you are able only to do 4 or 5, still control the weight so that your muscles can get strengthened. All right, next thing we have is front raises, okay? You can put 1 foot on this one, and we're going straight up in the air like this, okay? 3, 2, 1. Just like that, straight up, straight up. Make sure you breathe. 10 seconds left. Come on. You're gonna feel a little burn. Come on. It's strengthening you up. Let's go. Good job, people. All right. And like I told you guys before, you can use both of your feet, or you can use 1 foot. The next exercise we're doing is lateral raises on the side of our thighs. All right. We're going straight sideways like we're flying, like a bird, All you want to do is like flap your wings like a bird, okay? In 3, 2, there you go, let's go. Get it up. Yeah, them shoulders, baby. Yeah, baby. Let's get it. 10 seconds left. I ain't saying it was gonna be easy. Why would you think that? Good job, folks. I ain't never said it was gonna be easy. So don't think this is gonna be easy, okay? It's meant to be challenging. There is no such thing as hard. There is a such thing as challenging. No such thing as hard. All right? Everything can be mastered. Everything in life can be mastered. All right, y'all. We are doing real depth flies. We're going up like this. You ready? Let's make that T. Matter of fact, you gotta open both of your legs. This for the real depths. People. Now them real delt flies, that right there. Cause you got to try to pull. Oh man, I felt all this right here cutting up. Oh man, you talking about nice toned? Tone is not gonna be an issue for you after you do these workouts. Next thing we got is shoulder shrugs. I put both of my feet inside the resistor band and I just pull up a shoulder shrug. Ready? Let's go. Just like this. This one right here called high pull. It's a different angle of a shoulder shrug, okay? So we're gonna do 2 variations of shoulder shrugs. Pull up to your chin. Come on. Pull up to your chin. 3, 2, 1. Whew. Get you a break. Whew. All right, y'all. We on level 6, round 6 now. That was the first circuit. Now we going back one more time for 5 minutes. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off, people. Listen to me. I done already showed you the workouts. Hopefully you got them down. Let's keep it moving, folks. We can do this. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna show you from the back. You ready? Punch through the ceiling. Good job, folks. I hope you was able to see a different angle of the shoulder press from my posterior, which is the back part of my body. So hope you was able to see that. I'm not gonna lie, man, these boys right here, I feel that, feeling real good. Y'all already know what we got, front raises. Front raises, folks. Ooh, y'all ready? It's easy money, let's do it. Ten seconds though. Come on. 1 second left. Ooh. Man, oh man, oh man. These shoulders is on fire, baby. They definitely on fire, folks. Make sure you got some water now. I don't want you cramping up. And the best way to deal with cramps, if you're always dealing with cramping, eat more potassium. Eat more bananas. We got 5 seconds left. We got side. We got lateral raises. Let's go, folks. All right. Next exercise we have rear delt flies. Rear delt. Now, on this one, ladies and gentlemen, it's gonna be a little tough to pull from the back to lift this resistance band. But I want you to take your time and go as high as you can, okay? Ready? Keep focused, people. We got 10 seconds left. Keep focused. Come on, y'all. 3, 2, 1. All right, folks. We got 30 seconds. This is our last workout. Shoulder shrugs. All right. Now, I told you guys before, I showed you high pull, which is a form of variation of shoulder shrugs. It works on your traps. But now we're going to work on pulling from right here. Okay? This is a different variation because you got resistance at the bottom. You got 3 seconds left. 2, 1. Let's go. Stay focused. We almost done. We got 20 seconds left. Come on, people. 10 seconds left. Shrug up, squeeze. Squeeze them traps. 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, folks. I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Remember, go to that Patreon, man. And if you need anything, hit me up. getupandgroundfitness@gmail.com. And make sure y'all go to that Patreon. I love y'all. Good work. Let's get it.